Joanna. A tasty, healthy snack to eat. Find the object, Joanna. The kangaroo hops far and wide. Find the object, Joanna. With a baby in a pouch inside. Find the object, Joanna. The banana's yellow, long and bright. Find the object, Joanna. A fruit that gives us pure delight. Find the object, Joanna. Let's discover and learn. Find the object, Joanna. On this adventure we will turn. Find the object, Joanna. On this adventure we will turn. Find the object, Joanna.